𝐓𝐈𝐏𝐼 is a company that has been founded in 2012, so more than 10 years ago. We are skilled in mechatronics, and we are an innovative SME. We develop technologies for industry and automotive applications. TSAT for IPP, that means Threaded Insert Smart Assembly Tool for Industrial Production Process, is a project that has been conceived with the target to overcome some problems about the industrial process that are present in these days, are mainly related to the possibility to control this tool by remote. So this is a tool that can be used by hand by the operator in a more standard way, and also in that case it guarantees that if a certain assembly process must be done with a certain pressure or deformation, it is guaranteed because there are an active control of the process, the formation process. But it can be also used by a machine, by remote, so by serial communication. It can be integrated with a robot, and then it can be commanded in an automatic assembly process.
Special Insert is an Italian company that manufactures a fastening solution. So we are a producer, and we produce a lot of fastener for a lot of field. The innovation about this solution is that first of all, with this machine we can deform and install all the range of this kind of blind driven nut. So in the market there is a huge different types of this kind of blind rivet, and for the small one you need a machine, and for the bigger one you need another one, and so there is not a universal machine that can be used. So our target is a sort of machine that can be universal for the customer.
We have been present in the area for over 35 years, in which we have acquired ever greater skills and specialization. As we are suppliers of production systems, the challenge was to be able to remotely control of a tool mounted on a robotic arm. So we considered our application both as a tool for robots driven remotely by an high-level system that manages a machine, and as a manual tool dedicated to operator assembly. Mind4mAchines, we think that it's a great opportunity for developing technologies for the real interest of the industry.